This is my soft milk and white chocolate chip cookie recipe. I think it's super easy to make and I recommend you guys give it a go. Half a cup of white sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and half a cup of unsalted melted butter. Then you're going to whisk it together till it looks nice and smushy. Then add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I like to cut that sweetness. And 1 large egg. Mix it together, and then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you want it to look really ribbony. Look at that flow. Sift about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then you just kind of mix it together. Don't overmix it, guys. I know, resist the urge. And here's the secret. We use 50 grams of white chocolate from Whittaker's and 150 grams of Cadbury milk chocolate, and you just chop that up. Don't use chocolate chip. No, this is the way. This is the way to do it. And then you're going to leave it in the fridge for 24 hours because the longer you leave it, the better the flavor. Heat that oven up to 180 degrees and bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them because sometimes they tend to burn the top, but we're not going to do it this time. And here is the mistake of the day.